Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask an Expert. For today's topic, we take a look at the asynchronous operations in JavaScript. So let's get a deeper understanding of the function of callbacks, the object of promises, and the keyword async or await. First, we had callbacks, the old reliable but sometimes messy way of handling async code. Imagine you making a sandwich and you need to wait for the toaster to finish. With callbacks, you'd have a note reminding you to check the toaster later. But too many notes and it gets confusing. That's a callback hell. Then came promises, a cleaner way to handle async operations. Think of a promise as a friend informing you when your sandwich is ready. You can just trust them to let you know when it's done rather than checking constantly. Promises make your code more readable and manageable. Finally, we have async or await, the latest and greatest. It's like your friend handing you the sandwich when it's ready without you having to wait around. You write your code as if it's synchronous, but under the hood, it's still asynchronous. Here's an example. Fetching data from an API. With callbacks, you'd end up with nested functions. With promises, you use .then and .catch, which is better. But with async or await, your code looks clean and straightforward. Let's understand this concept with an example. Take an asynchronous function called getData. Write an API call using fetch, which fetches some data like your friend who promised you to bring a sandwich. By keeping the keyword await before the fetch API call, it indicates that the execution won't move to the next line until the fetch API gets succeeded. Let's store the JSON formatted data from the response in another variable data. Next, let's write a console.log statement to print the data. We can generally wrap these types of codes inside a try-catch block to catch any errors that occur in the process of code's execution. No more nested callbacks or changing then calls. Just simple, readable code. Hope you understood how you can handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. For more such tips and hacks, ask an expert and we will be happy to answer them. Follow Nxtwave for more such educative videos.